Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita HEBSIBA, Department of Chemistry, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video series, we are discussing about the different types of novel dyes and novel types of dyeing techniques. Today, we'll be discussing about bifunctional dyes. What do you mean by the word bifunctional? There are two functionalities available in the dye. Usually in the normal dyes we have only one functional group which is reactive and which tends to get connected with the fabric. Here we have bifunctional dyes. Bifunctional dyes, they exhibit good Fosnes properties and carry two reactive groups. Very low temperature is required for the dye uptake and they produce very pale shades. What are the properties of these bifunctional dyes? They can be dyed at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. They have different types of reactive groups in a single molecule where the end condensation is with beta sulfato ethyl sulfone. Here the haloheterocycle is responsible for fixation. Level dyeing performance on substrate is sustainable and the dyeing efficiency is excellent. So bifunctional dyes, they can be dyed at very low temperature with excellent efficiency. What's the dyeing method for bifunctional dyes? Here we have to set the bath with 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and add the requisite chemicals required for fixation and exhaustion, that is global salt, and now enter the material, fabric material into it. Set the bath for 20 minutes and add half amount of the global salt and continue dyeing again. Now gradually rise the temperature to 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, which is the optimum temperature for bifunctional dyes, and dye for 15 more minutes. Now add soda ash for fixation and continue dyeing for 60 minutes again. Wash the material properly and while washing off, follow these procedure. First, drain the dye bath, intermittent washing in cold and then neutralize with acetic acid. Hot wash to strip out any unfixed dye at 70 degrees Celsius to remove salt and unhydrolyzed dye. Soap at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius so that you ensure washing fastness. Hot wash at 90 degree again and then cold wash. Here is an example for bifunctional dyes, that is Sumafix Supra dyes. It's the commercial brand. They are called as hetero-bifunctional reactive dyes. These dyes are known for their high degree of exhaustion and fixation, good reproducibility and even leveling properties too. These are also temperature insensitive between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. You require very less temperature, but they are not temperature sensitive. So their efficiency increases. The dyes are distinguished by medium substantially in primary exhaustion phase and high degree of exhaustion and fixation after the addition of alkali. These dyes have advantages owing to the vinyl sulfone group. So vinyl sulfone group, they actually fall under the category of remesol dyes. They are not Prussian dyes. Prussian dyes require high temperature above 80 degrees Celsius for their fixation. Since we use this vinyl sulfone group, that is remesol dyes, they are cold reactive dyes or else moderate hot reactive dyes, and hence we require only 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Now coming to the advantages of bifunctional dyes, they offer enhanced reproducibility, especially for medium to pale shades. We cannot expect bright shades out of bifunctional dyes, but medium to pale shades. They have high fixation rate. After the addition of exhaustion, that is a fixing agent, that is soda ash, the fixation rate is improved and the dyeability is increased. They offer level dyeing performance for even non-critical substrates. Level dyeing in the sense there is uniform shade along the fabric without any constraint with the substrate. Without for irrespective of the substrate, it offers level dyeing performance. They are less affected by dyeing variables such as temperature, heating rate, and alkali dosing. So when you alter the time of alkali dosing or else the dosage or else the heating rate or else the temperature, it is not affecting the dyeing process. Hence, it becomes more effective again. They have high fastness profile, especially washing characteristics. So they offer very good washing fastness with soap and then again water too. They have a brighter range of colors as compared to vinyl sulfone dye. Usually they offer only pale and medium pale shades, but when you compare with vinyl sulfone dye, that is Remesol dye, these dyes are brighter in shades. Usually, Prussian dyes gives brighter shades, and vinyl sulfone dyes gives very less pale shades. But here we have a brighter range of colors than the vinyl sulfone dye. Thank you.